How to convert HEIC to JPG. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Phil from Practical Media 101. In today's video, we will be learning how to convert your HEIC images into JPG format. Before getting started though, make sure that you like, subscribe and turn on your bell notifications. Now without any further ado, let's get started. First thing to do is to head over into this website. It's called iloveimage.com. I'm going to be sharing a direct link for this website in the video description. From there, you need to locate the HEIC images that you wish to convert. For that, you're going to click on select images. Then you're going to locate the image that you wish to convert. So I want to convert this particular image right here. I'm going to select it. And then I'm going to click on convert to JPG. So the images will be converted instantaneously. I can just click on download converted images and my downloading will start. So as you can see, the image has been downloaded. Let's check if it is working correctly or not. So as you can see, this is the image that we have downloaded and you will be able to see that the image format has been converted to JPG. So that was a quick tutorial on how to convert your HEIC images into JPG. If you found this video helpful, then make sure that you like, subscribe and turn on your bell notifications. Thank you so much for tuning in. Have a wonderful day.